it's a very good session. I think it's very good training. It's quite different from some that I have attended, which is basically a lot of material just thrown down on us. So thanks for sharing the real life experience, and also the real life security incident to further emphasize on your teaching point. Right? There's a very good with all this experience and all that. It actually enhance your course quite a bit, and I quite enjoy it, quite relaxing. Unfortunately, I have to go for lunch appointment, but I catch up most of them. All right, I think it's a very practical approach, right? You also gave us a lot of advice, which I think is pretty good. All right, thank you very much.